so we just got to BP. We're just putting some gas in the ute there. Yeah, so here's the drift car all loaded up, and me and Jordan are in the 180 today. On our way to Meremere. Alright, so we just got here to the drift park. It looks like there's only like 3 or 4 other cars here, so looks like we're going to have a good time on the track with not a lot of people, so yeah. Alright, so we just did the safety briefing, and yeah, we're all good to go. We're just trying to get the drift car all ready to go. So yeah, should be drifting very soon. So when we started this up, it was only running on 5 cylinders. We think it might be just because it's cold, so we're going to try get it up to temp and see if it fixes it. But we also have the 180 as a backup.
Fresh fuel, yeah.
How are you feeling, Matt?
Oh, pretty good. I just hope this car runs on 6 again. Hands clear.
That sounds better.
Oh, that sounds a lot better. We back on.
We on. So we got to get changed into our racing gear, and yeah, we should be good to go. Getting all geared up. So the track's now open. Matt's about to hop in and go.
You got the pit team here?
Yeah, our pit team doing the hard mahi. Did you find your first time around the track?
It was a lot harder than I thought. You have to handbrake initiate, but the handbrake's got too much play to it. So we got to tighten that up. I think it'll make it easier to initiate, but yeah. Definitely a lot harder than the skid pan.
Taylor for the first run.
Yeah, Taylor.
I went into first, tried to accelerate, and it just died.
And that is why you don't attach
Oh, that's why,
intercooler.
man. Look at this. Massive boost leak.
Yeah. Okay, so we got 2 massive boost leaks now because they pulled
One.
the cooler up.
Alright, take 2 for Taylor.
I think it's alright.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Because when I tried to start it here, it took a bit to get it
And
started.
then like, I think it's just the gasket, but the exhaust is like smoking hard out.
Oh yeah, I think it's alright.
And it's come out so many times.
I think it's the first. Because like, you need to go faster. Because like first you just hard. Yeah, second freeze up.
How you feeling, Taylor?
Oh, I'm hot.
Sweating, eh?
Yeah.
Keep on the tip, that's it.
Yeah.
Right, yeah, just touch it. That's fine. Especially the bottom.
Our intercooler piping keeps popping off, and then we just break down in the middle of the track.
Could you get a 10 mil, please?
So we need to tighten
I'll
these
do tight.
hose clamps up.
Oh, that's probably like that.
Like you can see it, bro. When you kick it out, you're like sledging.
I just sledged it right around one corner. I wasn't even drifting. It was just like I couldn't even.
Yeah, because you can't actually steer yourself. Once
Yeah.
you lose grip on the front, you can't actually.
So my goal for the end of the day is to do the whole track without spinning out.
It's a good goal.
I think it's achievable. I just need to get more practice.
Oh, muscle memory.
Yeah.
Yeah. Doing up the jack now.
Probably these two. My goal is to just not break the cars.
The trusty but not so trusty drift car.
It needs a bit of TLC.
As long as the head gasket doesn't blow or run a bearing, I'll be happy. Like as long as we can get home.
As long as we can get it home in one piece.
Well, it's on the trailer anyway, so it doesn't matter if it breaks.
Yeah. but
Yeah,
if we
true.
don't- I don't want to. I don't want to drift the 180 at all.
Yeah, I don't want to drift the 180 either.
The pool 180.
After doing my round, I'm like, nah, I'm gonna crash this thing.
Yeah, hard out.
She's had enough enough thrashing at the drags.
It can stay a drag car.
Yeah, I reckon drag
We just
car.
bought the 180 for a show pony.
Yeah. She's a eye catcher for sure.
One has so much tread, but
Alright, so the plan is we'll put the tyres that were on the rear on the front, and we'll put those tyres that Matt is holding on the rear, so that it's the rear that goes and not the front.
So we changed the front tyres because they were a bit, the tread was a bit gone. So these will be a bit more grippy. And then we put some more tyres on the back. Yeah, that was pretty good.
Taylor going for take 3. Nice. Nice. Beautiful. No. Beautiful.
Let's just call it there even.
You don't want to have another go?
Oh, leaking oil like that.
Can we not fix it?
Oh, it needs to cool right down to get, it's real hot.
Yeah, he's going to burn himself now.
So we've just found an oil leak from the engine. Where's it coming from?
Right in here.
The back of the head.
You see it in there? Like fresh oil
Oh yeah.
in here.
So we're just gonna call it a day there. I think we got a,
So clean, like, I think it's good.
I think we got a lot of good seat time there.
I didn't like it. It's so clean.
So the boys are chucking the bumper back on. I mean bonnet. I don't think we've videoed taking it off, but we decided to take it off because the intercooler piping keeps popping off. And we don't have...
And we don't have a stand for the
Yeah.
bonnet, so we kept on having to hold it.
So we're just gonna put the bonnet back on and then load it back up on the trailer and call it a day. Your first time drifting, Matt, how do you think it went?
At the start, it was so much harder than I thought. But then, once I got a bit more practice in, I started getting the hang of it. So I think it's lots of fun, and I think this is the perfect car to do it in because we spun out so many times. But yeah, no, it's a good day.